Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off screensaver mode on your Apple TV. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got your Apple TV and you don't want it to go into screen-saving mode anytime that you're not using your Apple TV. How do you actually go ahead and fix that? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is navigate to where it says Settings. And then from this option here, you want to click on Screensaver. Now from this option here, this is the really important step, guys. Right here where it says Start after 5 minutes, you want to click on this. And notice how you can change the duration of when your screensaver is going to start. You can set it to never. So what this means is that your screensaver is never going to start no matter how much time you spend idle on your Apple TV. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and turn off your screensaver on your Apple TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.